What's up guys, Tao here. Welcome to another episode of Hackintosh build. If you follow my channel, you might know I had a workstation build on the X99 motherboard, hoping to get a good performance on the Final Cut Pro. But I did a video a while ago regarding on the Intel QuickSync, that's with the AMD graphics card, and I found out my workstation actually isn't that powerful. So today I'll be using this Intel i7 Coffee Lake i7-8700 to replace my current workstation, and together with some new parts. The parts I'll be using for today's swap over or new build is the brand new Gigabyte Z370 motherboard, which is ultra gaming. I work with the Intel 8th generation, and I have a AMD Radeon RX 480 graphics card. I'm really hope this will work well with the Final Cut Pro, and also some Noctua Chrome Max fans. Now, to be honest, the fans, a lot of you guys comment on the fans I had or have in my current workstation. You guys think it's ugly and you should use black fans, or it's just ugly fans. So I listened to you guys, so that's why I got some new Noctua Chrome Max fans. Hopefully it will look better. Yeah, so let's get it started. Before we jump into the swapping hardware, this is the perfect time for cleaning your PC. The best way I found to clean the PC is using this. This is basically a blower or air blower. It's perfect to clean the dust if you're in a dusty environment. I think this is the best thing I've ever used. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description if you guys wanna check it out. So the PC currently is quite dusty. Actually, let me just show you guys. Here we go. As you can see, because the air intake, there's a lot of dust around on the front panel and also on the top. So I hope inside is not too dusty, but I'm gonna just give a good clean before I actually swap over any parts. Okay, here we go. Right, before I take it apart, let's just have a last look at what's inside. So the actually is not that bad. You know, the fans, it's a little bit ugly, but not too ugly. Yeah, it has been good. It has been very stable. Sad to see it goes, but now just let's have a look at the new fans. So they are actually, well, black, but we've got some colorful rubber feet or rubber pads. That's pretty. Okay, let's take it apart. Bye bye. Right, the case has been emptied and everything is out. It actually took a bit longer than I expected. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff inside the case. So now I'll be installing the black Noctua fan, which is the Chrome Max. Hopefully it looks all right. Yeah, and then we'll start the build from now. Let's go. Alright guys, the build has completed. You can see it's really colorful. I think it is much better than before compared to the old fan, and the black one actually does look better. And with those old LEDs, those LEDs can be changed, and so I will be exploring the settings within the BIOS. And the BIOS, the stock BIOS is F6. There is a brand new BIOS, I believe it's F8. I would strongly suggest you guys just update to F8 before you install any system on it, especially for the Hackintosh. Just make sure you got more up to date. Other than that, I won't be doing the system installation in this video. I will be have a second video just to follow up. But for now, I will leave as it is. So yeah, if you guys can't wait, I do have systems installation videos I've done before. So the procedures basically is more or less the same. Yeah, for those of you guys who can't wait, want to go ahead and install, please check out the video. I will leave the video up above or down below. So yeah, it's going to be somewhere. And there's another thing I want to talk about is the processor. The reason I chose the i7-8700 but not K version. So in my opinion, it's really when you use Final Cut Pro, the graphics card actually take a huge part of it. So for this instance, that's why I chose the Sapphire RX 480. As I said at the beginning of the video, I've done the quick test before, so that kind of gave me a rough idea of what the AMD card can do to help within the Final Cut Pro. Plus, the i7 only has the maximum TDP 65 watts. So in terms of the temperature, keep the heat level down. So because the fan, it's not really push and pull style, so that will also help the temperature in the case lower down a little bit. So yeah, all in all, I'm happy with. First thing, I'm happy with the color scheme. Hopefully you guys like the fans. Please like the fans. If you don't like the fan, I don't know what to do. So the black one is pretty cool with all the colors. Yeah, so this is the video. See you guys in the next video. Okay, almost forgot. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to keep up my video, and if you haven't subscribed already. And also please click on the like button if you like the video, and also please don't forget to share with others. So maybe others can get benefit out of this video as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.